Hello and welcome to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves. Today we are going to be walking through a Crest Classic 220 LX. This is going to be a 22-foot offering that's going to allow you to have a 13-person capacity. This one is one of my favorites, and one of the features they've added for 2023 and 2024 is a little cooler drawer. This is going to come with a little cooler that you can drop in. That way when you're coming out for a day on the water, you can bring your food, drinks, and have a nice place to put it. If you come in this boat, we're also going to have another fun feature, which is our Lowrance hook. It's going to give you a 5-inch digital dash. This will give you all of your fish finding capabilities, as well as depth finder and speed. The seating configuration on this one is going to be the L shape. So this is going to give you the most amount of storage. It's going to have some nice deep storage compartments underneath the seats. And the one that I like to mention is this one here in the back. It'll have a nice little door to where you can open up and walk in. This will give you a nice little area if you're looking for a place where your kids can change, put your tubes, any type of storage need. And then on the other side, you'll have easy access to your battery. On this side, you'll have a nice big storage compartment again. This is going to be for your fenders, your dock lines, life jackets. A lot of my customers are putting full-size trash cans in here. When you have a capacity of 13 people, there's a lot of things to get brought on, so nice to have a trash can and some storage capabilities. Here on the back, you'll see our tow bar as well as the 150 horsepower Mercury outboard. This boat is plenty powerful enough to pull skiers, pull some tubers, and then get you and 13 of your friends out on the lake. When you have a chance, give MarineMax a call. We'd love to discuss this Crest as well as some of the other ones we might have to offer.